Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel and Facebook page. Today, I will show you how to resolve the fix error code 30068-39 when installing Microsoft Office issue. Let's go start. Press the Windows key and type in the Services, and click on Services into the search bar. To open the Services tool, scroll down to find Microsoft Office. Click to run service, and right-click it. Choose Properties on the General tab. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic. First click Stop and click Start. Apply and then OK to save changes. Close window. Just search the Run in box. Now click on the Run. Type regedit in the open box, and then click OK. This will open the registry editor. Go to the HKUI_local_user and click on Software. Click on Microsoft under Software option. Scroll down and click Office. Under the Office, deleting all files for 15.0, 16.0, Common, Word, Excel, and Outlook. Please give a like and comment down below if it worked. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Go to the This PC and open click. And go C Drive. Click Program Files. Find the Microsoft. Right-click on it and delete. Click on Menu option. Back to. Click Program File. Under Program Files, delete the Microsoft and all Microsoft files. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe. Now, restart your Windows to install the Office. After Restart System, press the Windows key and type Windows Security into the search bar. Click on the Windows Security option. In the Windows left pane, click on Virus and Threat Protection, and click on Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Turn off the real-time protection under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Close window. Now try to reinstall Microsoft Office software. If you are first visiting my YouTube channel and Facebook page, please subscribe, like, follow and notify the bell icon. Click and see your next updated video.